Hey there! Today we're going to be making some pepperoni cheese puffs. It's going to be a pâte choux recipe with a bunch of cheese and some pepperoni in there. This is best served with some marinara sauce on the side. I have shown pictures of this before on my Instagram and got requested to do more savory treats. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. Start by combining your water and butter in a pan and melting this on a low heat until it boils. And then dump your flour into this and mix it all together until it forms a ball. Once it comes together, put it on the stove again for about 3 or 5 minutes just so that you can cook that flour. And then once it comes down to room temperature, add 1 egg at a time and mix this all well, incorporating it. Once the first egg comes together, add in your second one and combine this well again. Then add in that third one and combine well. And you can also scrape your bowl down to make sure you get everything. And then finally that fourth egg, combine it well. And then again, just scrape your bowl down. Once your eggs are well incorporated, add in your salt and your oregano into this and combine it all well. Then add in your Gruyere cheese, combine that well. And then add in your Parmesan and combine that well. This is going to be a very cheesy puff pastry. Once your cheeses are well incorporated, you can add in your pepperoni. I just cut them into quarter sizes. And there's our pâte choux dough. Now with a sheet pan with parchment paper and this circle cookie cutter, I'm adding on a little over a tablespoon of the mixture around it. You can bake these however you want. You can do them by themselves or in a circle like this. You can also go ahead and set your oven to 425 degrees. And just make sure you scoop out all your mixture, and these will bake for about 30 minutes. And here's those pepperoni cheese puffs with the side of marinara. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest another savory treat, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of these puffs and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below in the description box. If you want to keep up to date with all the recipes I share, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, stay sweet.